In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a demo account in MetaTrader 5 in mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top left and tap on those three lines. And when you do that, as you can see, it's going to pop up the menu and you want to tap on Manage Accounts just below your username at the very top. Now, when you do that, as you can see, it's going to show your accounts. I do have a demo account already, but if you want to open a new one, you want to tap on the plus button at the top right. And in here, you can either find your broker via which you can open a demo account, or just use MetaQuotes Ltd. So we can tap on MetaQuotes Ltd, and up top it's going to say open a demo account, and of course you can just tap on that. You'll have to put in some of your information and then basically just tap on create at the bottom and your demo account is going to be created. Now there's my information in there, so I can't actually show you because you'll be able to see everything, but when you just tap on open a demo account, it's going to give you an option to type in your name, your last name, and then your phone number and your email, and then you can set your demo account settings, create one, and then you'll be able to see just like this over here, and you'll be able to start trading with it. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.